Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing good. So today's video is going to be about the Vogue beauty secrets. So I'm going to be recreating Sharvari Wagh's date night look. So if you know that Vogue India constantly shows us and gives us an insight into celebrities, makeup routine, skincare routine, the skincare tips that they want to share. Sharvari Wagh actually creating a date night look. Now it is very dewy, it is very simple, yet looks very elegant, and that is something that really intrigued me, and I wanted to give it a shot using my own products, obviously. Without any further ado, let's start with the video. If you haven't watched it, I'll also be linking the video in the description box just in case you want to check that video out and understand what kind of look I've tried to replicate. Okay, so the first thing that she has attempted for is a corrector from LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Creamy Beige. So if you remember, LA Girl is like one of the most oldest corrector and concealers that people used to use, even people who newly ventured into makeup, and for people who have like little bit of experience, they always prefer LA Girl to be the perfect concealer and corrector that they can blindly trust upon to do your makeup. Okay, so I'm done with the corrector. I have built it up, and I think the under eyes are also like quite concealed. Now she goes in for two layer of concealers. As much as I've tried to understand, I'm gonna use this concealer. What she does is she actually takes the concealer. Her tip is to actually make your fingertips really warm, and once you feel that fingertips are warm enough, then you take in the concealer. So I've taken the concealer, and then you're gonna apply it. So in this way it sits in a much better way, and she's also gonna do the same way. She's gonna warm her fingertips, she's gonna take the concealer, and she's gonna go above her eyelids as well, just to get rid of any sort of darkness that is still there. So okay, so I have blended the product. Now the next product that she's using is a liquid concealer. For that I'm going to be using this one from L'Oreal. This is their Infallible Full Wear Concealer, the inner corner of her eyes. And then for that lift, she is going like this. So now I'm going to quickly blend this one. So I've blended the concealer. Now as you can see, my under eyes actually look very bright, and also not extremely bright, but it looks really good. And again, I am feeling like the lift over here as well. It's not looking cakey. That's the best part. Although we used like 3 concealers, 1 corrector and 2 concealers, but still the kind of look that the concealer has done is really good. So I think the concealer hack worked really well because it's still looking very natural. Next thing that she added is that she's going to use a cream blush. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the blush. Now this is the way she applies her blush, and this actually gives you that flushed kind of look that you're looking out for. Love how it looks. The next thing that she's doing is that she's actually using a contour stick, and she's contouring her face. Now unfortunately I do not have it. The ones that I had actually got expired. So she's literally taking it till the end. I can't actually see a difference after doing the contour, but anyways, the next thing that she's attempting with is a foundation. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation, the viral foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit of it because she is also someone who believes that less is more with makeup. Just a little bit of product is enough for the whole face. Now the next thing that she's doing is that she's actually going ahead with an eyeshadow. She's going for a very subtle and nude color from the K Beauty palette. Now since I don't have that, I'm using the Huda Beauty palette. This is the nude rich palette from that. Okay, so the next thing that she's applying is a little bit of pink color into her eyelids. She wants that natural kind of pink color as well. So I'm going to be using this one. Very natural color, so you won't even feel as if you've actually applied anything. So I'm done with the eyeshadow. It still looks very pink and very natural. Now the next thing that she is attempting with is an eyeliner. For that she is actually using a brown color eyeliner because apparently she has light eyes, so it's going to look more beautiful, and she always tries to skip the black liner. So she's gonna bring out the wing using a brown eyeshadow, and that's exactly what I'm going to be trying as well. I have this brown shade over here, the wing. Next thing that she's actually suggested is that you bring out a wing a little bit more over here, and then you start smudging it out. I'm just gonna smudge it. So if you can see the wing, now I'm gonna attempt for the same over here. I think we have the wings and it looks very natural. Now the next thing that she has suggested is that since it's a date night look, she wants a little bit of shimmer as well. So for that she's going to attempt for a glitter eyeshadow that she's going to be using on the inner corner of her eyes. So we're going to be doing the same. We're going to be using this shimmer and we're going to attempt and try to put it in the inner corner of the eye. You can see that pop of color that I've added, and actually what happens is when the moment you start using something on the inner corner of your eye starts suddenly looking very big and wider. Okay, so the next thing that she's using is an eyelash curler. To count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful curly lashes. Nice. Okay, so the next thing is she's going to repeat the cream blush, so I'm going to be doing the same. So we're done with the blush as well. Now the last step, which is a lip liner, and a lip oil is, I think, or a lip gloss is something that she's tried to attempt. She hasn't gone really dark with the lip liner as well, so I'm trying to do the same. I'm just going a little bit here and there and just trying to smudge and merge it all together. For the lip gloss, she's actually she didn't want for a glossy effect. She wanted something which is more of a lip balm kind of thing and a balmy effect to her lips, and that's exactly why I'm going for a gloss that is not very glossy and doesn't come out there, but it still gives you that natural kind of shine that you're attempting for. So try and attempt using a lip balm, because as she mentioned that she wants that lip balmy effect, so using a lip balm would also make sense. So if you see, the gloss that I've actually applied is very natural, but still gives me that shiny kind of look and that lip balm effect. Overall the makeup is so dewy, so beautiful. It's not dewy actually, but very soft and very good. I didn't expect it to look this good, but trust me, this is one of those no makeup looks that you can attempt for. I think she did a very good job, and I hope that I did a good job recreating them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I would be really happy to make more such recreated videos. I will see you very soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.